Hey, welcome to the helpful and informative tutorial that helps you on social media. Today, let me show you how to convert the really normal text on Facebook into a really wonderful and creative, stylish text really easily by just copying and pasting. After watching the tutorial, you can add different styles to your Facebook post, like a bolder, italics, or strikethrough, cursive, upside down text, bubble text, or tiny text, whatever. Really incredible. This is my website and I make a little money on selling shirts. So let me find something that I can give you an example. Okay, so maybe I'm choosing the shirt. Go back to here and I'm going to grab the kit fully battery status t-shirt for only, so how much for $21.99, and it was $29 or $39.99. How you can bold the name of the shirt and add a strike right here, remove them. The key thing here is the website I use to create text style. On the left of the screen, you can see a lot of style. You can find strike through, slash through, underline, lightning, faces upside down or something. But now I'm going to use strike through first and scroll down a little bit. So just put the text here. I just go back to here and then right click, copy, paste it here. You can see that there are a lot of styles you can choose from, and you can hit preview or just copy it. So I think I'm going to copy the second one. Copy, go back here, Command V, to paste it here. After hitting post, you are going to see the result. One more thing, I'm going to bold the name of the shirt. You just copy that, go back to the website and scroll down to find bold text, bold italic. Scroll down one more time, paste it here, and choose the right one for you. Just copy and paste. Oh, you can see a really good result, right? Now I'm going back to the website and copy image, paste it here, copy one more image, copy, paste it here, and one more attractive markup here. Right click and copy image, then go back here, paste, and don't forget to paste the link, products link, and paste. Hey, and now look at the result we got. Here the text were bolder and it has a strike through. Wait, one more thing. The links here is really annoying. It's really not really great, and I want to change the link so that it looks more professional. So go back here and edit post. So you can grab the link, just Command X to cut. So go to bit.ly and shorten the link. Just hit create and then paste the link here. So it looks more professional, and hit save. Copy the link, paste it back here. Wow, this looks professional, right? Yeah, so everybody can just click here and go right through to your website. That's it for today. Really easy, right? You can choose a lot of different styles here and create the thing you want to post on your Facebook. I'll see you next time.